Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning, बच्चे.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, voice is clear. Very good morning, Abhishek. Voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we start the theorem. Okay. So first is theorem is 8.2, and this theorem is in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. You prove that. ठीक है, जो फर्स्ट थ्योरम हमारा दिया है, ठीक है, क्या है हमारा थ्योरम? This theorem is 8.2. So here you prove that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Okay, so here this parallelogram you prove that K is equal sides. Okay, so first of all we draw the parallelogram. Okay, here we draw a parallelogram and name them A, B, C, D. Okay, it is a parallelogram, and the question is in a parallelogram opposite side, that means AB opposite side is CD and AD opposite side is BC. So here you prove that opposite sides are equal. Okay, here we prove that opposite sides are equal. So first of all, in given, what is given? In given A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Okay, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and here we prove, to prove here, the opposite side, that means AB side is equal to CD side, and AD side is equal to BC side. ठीक है, so this is, we prove that. ठीक है, ये हमें prove करना है. So first of all we construct here AC line. Okay, so here we draw a AC line. So AC को हमने क्या कर दिया? We join them AC. So join AC. Okay, so here जैसे you make a line या diagonal, it also called to the diagonal, where we see that a parallelogram is distributed the two triangles. The first triangle you take A, B, C, and second you take here A, D, C. Okay, if you make a diagonal AC, join them, so here a parallelogram is distributed the two parts, and the parts name is the first triangle and the second triangle. Okay, so next we prove here. First we know that opposite side of a parallelogram is parallel. Okay, we know that a parallelogram opposite side is a parallel, that means both are not intersect to any position. Okay, so that means, so AB side is parallel to CD side, and second side you take AD is parallel to, sorry, AD is parallel to BC side. Okay, it's clear. If a parallelogram, so we know that opposite side is always parallel. Okay, opposite side is always parallel. Suppose here you take angle 1, okay, angle 1, here angle 2, here angle 3, then here angle 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So here make a 4 angle, and since here we see that since AB parallel of CD and AC is a transversal line. ठीक है, ट्रांसवर्सल. सो ट्रांसवर्सल के लिए हमने क्या पढ़ा था? वी नो दैट इफ यू टू पैरेलल लाइन, अगर हम दो पैरेलल लाइंस ड्रॉ करते हैं, ठीक है, सपोज ये हमने टू पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ किए एंड वन ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन, ठीक है, ये हमने एक वन ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन ड्रॉ कर दिया. सो हेयर वी नो दैट अगर ये दोनों पैरेलल है अपोजिट साइड में, तो ये एंगल, ठीक है, ये both angle are equal. Both angle are equal. How? Because it is a alternative angle. Because it is a alternative angle. That means angle. हमने क्या लिया यहाँ? We take here angle 1. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. ठीक है, एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2. ठीक है, एंगल 1 और इक्वल हो जाएगा एंगल 2 का. सेम इसी तरह अगेन you take another two angles, so that AD is a parallel of BC. AD is a parallel of BC and AC is transversal line. ठीक है, तो that means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. आप यहां लिख भी सकते हो. How? Because it is a alternate interior angle. Okay, ठीक है. So angle 1 or 2, how to equal? Because it is a alternate interior angle, and same angle 3 and angle 4 is also equal because it is a follow to the alternative angle. Okay, यहाँ तक clear है बच्चे? Clear है?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, then next step we prove that the both triangle is congruent. ठीक है, so here we take in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So here we see that first two angle are equal हो गए. ठीक है, यहाँ two angles equal. Then we comparing to the first side. ठीक है, so first we take the side compare करते हैं. So comparing side AB side is equal to CD side. AB side is equal to CD side. How? because angle, if angle is equal, alternative case, so this side is also equal. And another, you take the triangle again, AD side. Okay, AD side is equal to BC side.
Yes.
BC side, because again here angle third is equal to angle 4. Angle third or angle 4 is equal. So here we see that triangle ABC is a congruence triangle ADC by side angle side congruency. Okay. So here simple. First of all, you make a parallelogram draw karna. Then here you joining the line segment, joining the line AC. That means it is a diagonal. And here we see that the four angle 2, 3, 1, 4. So here make a 4 angle. We know that if इसको ध्यान रखना, ठीक है? ये जो figure में here, if a two parallel line and one transversal line, so that means angle, first angle and this angle, second angle, suppose. So these angle are equal by using alternate interior angle. So two angles are equal हो गए. So here we see that angle 1 और angle 2 equal हो जाएंगे. Angle third and angle 4 equal हो जाएंगे. AC is a common line है both triangle के लिए, ठीक है? AC side is a common for both triangle, so that means it is a side of AB is equal to CD side and AD side is equal to BC side. ठीक है? ठीक है बच्चे? इसी तरह एक और आपका इसमें एक और अच्छा थ्योरम दिया है. थ्योरम है is third theorem. If each pair of opposite side of the quadrilateral, if each pair of opposite side of the quadrilateral is equal, then it a parallelogram. ठीक है, just इसका उल्टा कर दिया. ठीक है, so here we prove that अगर opposite sides equal है तो क्या ये it is a parallelogram? आपको prove करना है. ठीक है, so again theorem. Theorem 8.3. So 8.3 already given is given. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral where is given AB side. यहाँ फिगर ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं फर्स्ट. So here A, B, C, D. Okay. So here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral and where opposite sides are equal. So AB side is equal to CD side and AD side is equal to BC side. Already question में mention. ठीक है. So here what we prove here. So here we prove A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. So here we prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. So first of all, we construct here we construct join to AC. ठीक है, join A to C. ठीक है. So here we join to A to C and here we see that two again 4 angle में distribute हो रहा है. Angle 1, here angle 2, angle 4, 3, इस तरह हमने इसको एंगल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. ओके, angle 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. So here we see that the 4 angle construct. Okay, ठीक है. Then so we start the proof. How to prove? So first we compare in triangle A, B, C and triangle A, D, C. ठीक है, जैसे हमने यहाँ मेक किया. ठीक है, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. So a parallelogram proof करने के लिए first of all here the distributed the two triangles and both triangles are congruents. अगर triangles congruents होंगे that means it is a parallelogram को भी ये represent करेगा. Okay, so first we take here side. So first we take here side is AB side is equal to CD side. How? Because already question में mention है A opposite sides are equal. So here you write them given. Then second side we compare. So second side is A BC. BC side compared to AD side. So again both are equal because it is already given to the question. ठीक है, both sides are equal because is given to the question. Next, here we see that angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 3, अभी angle 1 और 2 को लेते. Angle 1 and 2 is equal. How? Because it is a alternative angle. Because it is a alternative interior angle. Okay, because A का alternative angle is 2 and 3 का alternative angle is 4 because it is a parallelogram. ठीक है, ठीक है, alternative angles बन रहे हैं यहाँ. Okay, so here another we see that another side is AC. AC is a common side for both triangle. Common. AC is a common side for both triangle ABC के लिए भी और ADC. Both triangle के लिए common side is AC. Okay, so AC is a common side for both triangle. ठीक है, then here triangle ABC is a concurrence of triangle ADC by using side. ठीक है, side angle side property. Side angle side property. ठीक है, concurrency यहाँ आपने लिख दिया. So here you write them. Angle side angle side की property का use करके both triangle are congruent. Okay, both triangle are congruent and we know that angle 1 or line AB and CD, AB line and CD line with transversal line. ठीक है, ABC, AB and CD line is a transversal line. So here angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and same line AD and BC with transversal line. So that means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 and equal to angle 4, both are equal because it is a alternative angle. ठीक है, they are alternative angle and they are equal. ठीक है, thus they are alternate angle and both are equal. So they are equals. Okay, transversal line है, so ये क्या होंगे, equal होंगे. So we know that transversal line intersect the two line. अगर transversal line intersect to two line in a such a way, so a parallel of alternate is equal them. ठीक है, जो parallel lines होंगे वो equal होंगे. That means AB line is equal to CD line or AD line is equal to BC line. Okay, so that means AB line is also parallel of CD line and AD is parallel of BC. ठीक है, तो then in quadrilateral A, B, C, D, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Okay, ठीक है, एक बार जल्दी से फिर से देख लेते हैं. First we make a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral we draw and the name is A, B, C, D. ठीक है, we name the A, B, C, D. So here make a quadrilateral. Then you take a constructing line, also called to the diagonal AC. ठीक है, AC भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं या you are using to BD. ठीक है, कोई भी एक diagonal यूज कर लेना. Then we see that here the 4 angle construct 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. कोई सा भी आप एंगल लिख सकते हो और नेम देम. ठीक है, यहाँ भी 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So here alternative angle is equal because we know that if the parallel line, अगर parallel line है and they make a transversal line, ठीक है, transversal line, so here make a two angle is equal. ठीक है, then here जैसे you make a diagonal, so here make a two triangles. So the first triangle name is A, B, C, and second triangle you take here A, B, C. So here we see that two triangles makes, then we compare them, both triangle are equal or not equal. If the both triangle is equal, that means it's represent to the concurrency, and concurrency that means the parallel. So first here we take the AB side is equal to CD side. AB side is equal to CD side according to the question, because here given to the opposite sides are equal. So another side is AD is equal to BC. Both sides are equal. Then when compare to the angle, ठीक है, compare करते हैं angle को. So here we see that A angle 1 and 2 is equal because it is a alternative angle. And here we see that AC line is a common for the both triangle. AC line is a common for the both triangles. So that means here you write them. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC is a concurrence triangle by using the side angle side concurrency. Okay, and here we write the angle 1 and 2 is a transversal, and the transversal line है, so ये is equal, both angle 1 or 2 equal होंगे because it is a alternative angle. ठीक है, then जब ये अल्टरनेटिव एंगल होंगे दैट मींस एंगल इक्वल हो रहे हैं, और एंगल इक्वल हो रहे हैं तो दैट मींस ये पैरेलल लाइन को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो हेयर पैरेलल लाइन. ठीक है, अगर ये एंगल इक्वल है दैट मींस ये दो लाइन इज अ पैरेलल. ठीक है, जस्ट अपोजिट जो हमने इससे पहले सेकंड में किया था. ठीक है, ये पैरेलल है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ हमने पैरेलल प्रूव कर दिया. जो पैरेलल प्रूव कर दिया दैट मींस बोथ साइड्स आर इक्वल. So then quadrilateral AB, both pair are opposite, sides are parallel. ठीक है, opposite side are parallel and also equal. So that means ABCD is a parallelogram. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर थ्योरम सेकेंड और थर्ड एक जैसा ही है, और सेम इसी तरह थ्योरम 4 और 5 भी दिया है. ठीक है, तो हम लोग 5th को प्रूव करते हैं. थ्योरम 8.5. Theorem 8.5. So 8.5 में हमारा थ्योरम क्या लिखा हुआ है? Is given if in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angle is equal then it is a parallelogram. ठीक है, क्या बोल रहा है? If you take a quadrilateral and the opposite angle is equal then it is a parallelogram. ठीक है, चलो इसको so first you draw the quadrilateral shape. ठीक है, quadrilateral shape हमने एक ड्रॉ कर लिया. ठीक है, and here the question is if opposite angle, suppose A, B, C and D, opposite angle, that means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. ठीक है, angle AC is equal and angle BD is equal. ठीक है, ये already दिया हुआ. So how to prove that this quadrilateral figure is a parallelogram? ठीक है, तो first you write given angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Okay, already question में put है. Then here to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. ठीक है, ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so here we prove them. Prove. First of all, we take in quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So we know that the sum of the all angle is 360. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. Okay. Here we take the property of the sum of angle. ठीक है, यहाँ हम कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके प्रूव कर रहे हैं? Sum of the angle. So we know that the sum of the angle is 360. So here you write angle A plus angle B and angle C place you write angle A. How? Because is given this angle 1 is A is equal to angle C. So here we put them angle C plus angle A. Okay, and same here we put them angle D place to angle B. Okay, 360. ठीक है, clear है? It's clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. So here we see that 2A angle. So here you write 2A angle, then plus here already 2B angle, then 360. Okay. So 2 here you take common, angle A plus angle B, inside bracket you write, and 360. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 upon 2. So angle A plus angle B is equal to
180.
180. ठीक है. तो angle A is plus angle B is equal to 180. So here we say that इस एंगल का बात कर रहा है. तो जब ये एंगल इक्वल होंगे when, ठीक है, ये एंगल 180 होगा when if is parallelogram. that means ये जो साइड्स हैं ये parallelogram होंगे. then ये क्या होगा हमारा, the sum of the two angle is 80. so here you write them AD is the parallel of BC. ठीक है, इसको दे देना इक्वेशन 1. ठीक है, कंडीशन बिकॉज ये when is 180 the sum of both triangles, then if both are parallel. अगर ये दोनों parallel होंगे तभी. ठीक है, again in quadrilateral A B C D, again हमने A B C D ले लिया. then same again हम sum of the angle property का यूज करेंगे. angle 1 A, angle B, angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. Okay, so that time we take angle A place you take C, angle B as it is you write, angle C as it is you write, and angle D place you take angle B. Okay, 360. So here again we say that angle 2 angle B and 2 angle C is equal to 360. Okay, so 2 here common, angle B and plus angle C is equal to 360. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 360 by 2. ठीक है, तो angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. ठीक है, 180 डिग्री आ गया. तो that means angle B और angle C when 180 होगा, then AB side and CD side is parallel. जब ये दोनों क्या होंगे, parallel होंगे. So here you write AB side is parallel to CD side. Okay, clear? ठीक है, clear है? So here you
Yes,
write
sir.
equation 1 and equation 2. जब आप equation 1 and 2 you prove that AD side is a parallel of BC side and AB side is parallel to CD side. That means A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. ठीक है, so here we prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. ठीक है, एक बार फिर से जल्दी से देखते हैं. ठीक है, given the quadrilateral दिया हुआ है, then here you prove that already is given ABCD is a quadrilateral, and here given to the opposite angle to equal. That means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. ठीक है, already question में mention है. Then here you prove that this figure, this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay, here we prove that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So here we using the in a quadrilateral ABC using to the sum of the angle property. Okay, sum of the angle property, that means sum of the all angle is equal to 360 because it is the quadrilateral shape. Okay, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. So here we put them angle A play angle C and D place to angle AB. Why? Because already in question given opposite angle are equal. So C place we take here A and another side we take to D place to B. Okay. So here 2A angle. So here you write 2 angle plus 2B angle. So here 2B angle. Then 2 you have take the comma. Okay. Common ले लेंगे. Then 2 here multiplication में है, opposite side में जाएगा तो division में चला जाएगा. Then here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. So why it's 180? So 180 के लिए rule होता है कि if the parallel side अगर adjust angle 180 make कर रहे हैं, that means ये parallel side को represent करेंगे. ठीक है, तभी ये angle 180 होगा. Okay, the sum of the adjacent angle 180 when if the parallel side. ठीक है, so here you write AD side is a parallel of BC side. Same again फिर ये in a quadrilateral में ले लेंगे. That time we take to comparing. अभी हमने किसको कंपेयर किया? AD और BC को. That time we compare to AB and CD side. ठीक है, CD side को we prove that the parallelogram. ठीक है, CD side को हम parallelogram prove करते हैं. So here we see that angle A, angle B, angle C or angle D is equal to 360. Okay, sum of the angle property we are using. So here we take the angle A place to angle C because opposite angle are equal. Then D place to angle B because it is a also opposite angle. Then we take here two opposite angles are equal. Okay, so here 2 ऐड कर देंगे. Here C भी ऐड हो जाएगा. 2 हमने कॉमन ले लिया. ठीक है, 2 अपोजिट साइड में जाएगा. Here मल्टीप्लीकेशन अपोजिट साइड में डिवाइड में चला गया. So here we reduce the number. So B angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. That means again हमने प्रूव कर दिया कि AB साइड और CD साइड इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. ठीक है, तो ये ये पैरेलल है, दैट मींस पैरेलल है और अपोजिट साइड इक्वल है, दैट मींस ABCD इज अ पैरेलल. ओके, तो ये आज हमने 3 थ्योरम्स हमने किया बच्चे. ठीक.